I decided to use AI software to come up with a original chicken wing recipe, and this is what it came up with. Sweet umami wings with crispy shallots. First up, AI starts us by seasoning the wings with salt, black pepper, MSG, and white pepper. Give it a good toss to make sure everything's coated. And then this recipe generated a combination of panko, parmesan, olive oil, and butter for the crispy coating. Just gotta mix it all together. Now I'm gonna dredge our wings by pressing well into that mixture, ensuring everything is coated, and bake these at 425 for 25 minutes, flipping halfway. Now while the wings are cooking, let's prepare some seasoned flour, then we'll toss our shallots until they're well coated. I'll shake off excess flour and fry these until they're golden and let them rest on some paper towels. Let's whip up that sweet umami sauce. I'm just going to combine some hoisin, honey, gochujang, rice vinegar, soy sauce, mirin, ginger, and garlic, and let it simmer to thicken as instructed by AI. And yo, these wings were baked perfectly. All that's left to do is to coat them in our sweet umami sauce and give them a good toss. For final touches, I'll garnish over with sesame seeds, cilantro, and the crispy shallots, and that's gonna make our sweet umami wings. And yo, I am not kidding when I say these were next level delicious. This is episode 5 of the AI Test Kitchen. Don't forget to like and follow for more episodes just like this.